Oh. In Chandogya Upanishad, it is said, Prithvi, earth, which came from the universe, Brahmanda, it has Jala, which is main tattva, which is not present anywhere. Jala abstract into a medicine. Medicine ultimately abstracted, or it is into Vani. Vani, it's actually the abstracted to Rucha. Rucha to Sam, and Sam to Omkara. So Omkar, which is Pranav, Udgeeth, is ultimately the result of a complete extract of whole Brahmanda and universe. In Bhagavad Gita, there are different types of Brahma which are said. They are Om Tat Sat, Yagya, Tapa and Dhyan. So here Yagya is Om. So when you chant Om, you are doing Yagya. Upanishad also says that the vigorous churning of all three lokas, Bhu, Bhuva and Swaha, the result is Om, Omkar. In 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 17th stanza, it says, Pitamahasya, Jagato Mata, Dhata Pitamaha, Vedyam Pavitram, Omkara Ruk, Sama Yajur Revacha. What does that mean? I am the father of universe, the mother, the support and grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and syllable Om, very explicitly mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. I am also the Rig, Sam and Yajur, all the three Vedas, which are again represented by Om. Recent scientific studies depicts that when Om is chanted, an alpha wave is produced within the brain. This alpha wave is responsible for production of state of calmness, quietness, peace. So Omkar gives you peace. In tantric traditions, Omkar symbolizes crown chakra. So it will also see alongside of holy lotus. So it shows the expansion of self and consciousness. In Bhagavad Gita, 13th verse of 8th chapter, it is said, Om iti eka aksharam brahmya vaharan ma manusmaran ya prayati tajjateham sayati paramam gatim. What does that mean? One who departs from the body while remembering me, the Supreme Personality, and chanting the syllable Om, will attain the supreme goal. So it will be a liberation from the body and complete liberation from the Janma Marana Chakra is possible by chanting Om at the time of the death.